Responding to compliments with, "Thank you," or, "That's very kind of you." Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will focus on an important aspect of polite expressions in English: responding to compliments. When someone gives you a compliment, it's essential to know how to respond graciously. So let's dive in and learn how to reply to compliments with confidence. Before we delve into responding to compliments, let's quickly touch upon giving and receiving compliments. Compliments are positive statements or remarks that express admiration, appreciation, or praise for someone's qualities, actions, or achievements. It's a way to acknowledge and celebrate the good things about others. When someone pays you a compliment, the most common and straightforward response is to say, "Thank you." It's a simple phrase that shows gratitude and acknowledges the compliment. Let's look at a few examples. Person A: "Your English speaking skills are excellent." Person B: "Thank you." Remember to say it with a smile and a sincere tone to convey your appreciation genuinely. Another way to respond to compliments is by saying, "That's very kind of you." This phrase not only expresses gratitude but also acknowledges the speaker's thoughtfulness and consideration. It adds a touch of humility to your response. Here's an example. Person A: "You did a fantastic job on that presentation." Person B: "That's very kind of you." By using this response, you show appreciation while recognizing the speaker's positive intentions. In some situations, you may feel more comfortable expressing humility and modesty when receiving a compliment. You can do this by using phrases like, "It was nothing," or "I'm just doing my best." These responses downplay your achievements and showcase your modesty. Here are a few examples. Person A: "You're such a talented musician." Person B: "Oh, it was nothing. I'm just doing my best." Remember, it's important to strike a balance between accepting the compliment graciously and being humble. Overly deflecting compliments might make the other person feel their words are not valued. Apart from your words, your body language and tone also play a crucial role in responding to compliments. Make sure to maintain eye contact, smile, and show genuine appreciation. A warm and sincere tone of voice conveys your gratitude more effectively. Remember, receiving compliments graciously is a valuable social skill that can help build stronger connections with others. Congratulations! You've now learned how to respond to compliments in English. By using phrases like, "Thank you," "That's very kind of you," or expressing humility and modesty, you can show appreciation and connect with others in a positive way. Don't forget to practice these responses to become more confident in your English conversations. We hope you found this video helpful and that it will enhance your English language learning journey. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next video.